All right, this is a demonstration on how to get your line types to show up in Paperspace after scaling. So everything it shows up in model space doesn't always show up in Paperspace correctly, especially with line types. So we have to make an adjustment on that. So this is how to get line types to show up in Paperspace for AutoCAD. All right, so here's our drawing that we have going here, and we see the different line types that we have here in our model space. So now if I switch over to Paperspace, I have, or layout, I have the model showing through here. I've already scaled this, so I'll double click on the viewport again to show you this was scaled at 1/32 of an inch equals 1 foot 0 inches. That's what would go down in the scale area in the title block. After I position that and get everything set and get everything scaled, then the next thing is I need my line types to show through. So the command for that is PSLT scale, SCALE, and then enter. You see autocomplete completing that in the window there. And then right now it shows a factor of 1. So if it's a factor of 1, change it to 0. If it's a factor of 0, change it to 1. So this shows a 1, I'll change it to 0 and enter. Now the next thing you need to do is regen all, regenerate the drawing basically. So the command is REGENALL. You can see autocomplete again, regen all, and hit enter. And now my line types will show up at that specific scale. So that's how you get the scale, or get the line types to show up in Paperspace. Even though they're showing a model, they don't always show up in Paperspace. Now I would double click on the outside, lock my viewport, again putting the scale down here in the title block, and then I would have a scale drawing with a line type showing through. Hopefully that was helpful. As always, thanks for listening, and if you have any questions, please email me.